I got PS5 Edge controller and the customer said the R2 button is not working. So in this video I will try to fix R2 button. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computer, so don't forget to give me like. First thing first, I need to test this controller with gamepad tester. And as you can see guys, the R2 button is not working. I will try to change the mode, maybe it's working. As you can see guys, it's still not working. The good thing I have a donor controller, and I will try first to change the ribbon cables, or maybe I will replace all the pieces. First we need to click here. They have 9 screws here. I need to open them. First one here, second, third, one here, here, and here. And they have 2 here under this plastic piece. We need to open this plastic piece and just be careful. They have a small spring, so be careful. And we have 2 screws here. They have 2 more screws under R1 and L1 button. And the last one here. Alright, the controller is ready to open. They have 3 screws here, and as you can see, it's open, and they have ribbon cable here. So first part, it's open. Now we need to work on this side. This side is also ready, and also I disconnect this side. They have more screws, 1, 2, and 3. They have a lot of ribbon cable here. Both this ribbon cable is disconnect, but they have also one here, and the last one is here. All ribbon cables disconnect, and it's time to take this part out. They have one more ribbon cable here. The ribbon cables disconnect. Now we can take the board. First thing, I will try to clean this side, and this is not water. Second things, I need to clean this one also, just in case. I will return some part and test. Alright, so I just return this side and put the battery, and I will test it on gamepad tester and see if the button is still not working. Alright, the controller is now turned on, and as you can see guys, nothing. Alright, I bring this donor R2 button from another controller and I will test it. And as you can see guys, this is the another button on the system. It's working. So the main issue here, maybe I will make another video to fix this part, but let's return all the parts back and test this controller. Everything look like perfect. All screws back, also the plastic piece. The controller is ready and it's time to test. Let's check the R2. As you can see guys, the controller is fixed. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment and ask me, or tell me if you want to watch how to fix this part.